Hello everyone and welcome. In our YouTube channel Learn English Online offers you in this video the most used phrases and expressions in English for beginners in different situations in daily use. This video was produced in collaboration with the website thegreatlibrary.blogspot.com. Don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel Learn English Online. Visit the site thegreatlibrary.blogspot.com.
You find below this video the PDF version of the expressions used in this video.
Unit 1 Greeting. Hi, John.
Hi, Ms. Wong. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine too, thanks. How are you doing?
Everything is okay. It's nice to see you again.
It's nice to see you too.
Good evening, Ms. Wong.
Good evening. I'm glad to see you again.
Me too. How is everything?
Everything is fine. How are you getting on?
Very well. How are your father and mother?
They are very well, thank you.
I must run. Good night.
Good night. Never forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel Learn English Online.